In our match today, we have Polyground Primary from St. Catherine facing Mico Practising Primary from St. Andrew.
So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Polyground Primary won. They decided that Mico Practising Primary will play first. So Mico, with 4 minutes on the clock, we begin with Bible knowledge. Which Old Testament prophet spent 3 days in the belly of a great fish?
Jonah.
Correct. Bible knowledge to you, Polyground. On which animal did Jesus ride into Jerusalem?
Donkey.
Correct. Science to you, Mico. What is the bottom of the pistil where the seeds are formed called?
Ovary.
Correct. Polyground, science. What is the name of the substance in plants that traps light energy?
Chloroplast.
Incorrect. Chlorophyll. Michael, Jamaican affairs. On the Jamaican coat of arms, what does the female have in her hand?
A basket.
Judges? Incomplete. It's a basket of fruits. Jamaican affairs to you, Polyground. On the Jamaican coat of arms, what does the male have in his hand?
A spear.
Incorrect. A bow. Michael, practicing English language. Using the word devil, give an expression which means to be faced with two equally bad options. The question passes to Polyground. Would you like to answer?
No, thank you. No, thank you.
To be caught between the devil and the deep blue sea. Still with you for English language, Polyground. Using the word jump, give an expression which means to go from a bad situation to a worse one.
To jump out of the frying pan and into the fire. To jump out of the frying pan and into the fire.
Correct. Michael, practicing television. In the animated movie Finding Nemo, what is the name of the blue fish that helped Marlin to find Nemo?
Dory.
Correct. Television to you, Polyground. In the animated movie Kung Fu Panda, what is the name of the panda?
Po.
Correct. Michael, practicing general knowledge. Which international airline uses the trademark BA?
Jeff Kennedy. Wow. Jeff Kennedy.
Jeff Kennedy.
The bell came first and the question passes to Polyground. Would you like to answer?
No, thank you.
British Airways, still with you for general knowledge, Polyground. Which international airline uses the trademark AA?
American Airlines.
Correct. Michael, practicing social studies. What is a cloud that forms just above the surface of the Earth called?
What is it?
Cirrus.
Incorrect. Fog. Social studies to you, Polyground. What type of clouds form in sheets or layers and spread out over the sky?
Stratus.
Correct. Music to you, Michael, practicing. What is the name of the gospel artist who recorded the song Mercy Said No?
Sasha Cobbs.
Sasha Cobbs.
Incorrect. CC Winans. Music to you, Polyground. What is the name of the gospel artist who recorded the song Something About the Name of Jesus?
Kevin Downswell.
Incorrect. Kirk Franklin. Michael, practicing mathematics. What is 66 over 5 expressed as a mixed number?
$13 and 1/5.
Repeat for me.
13 and 1/5.
Correct. Mathematics to you, Polyground. What is 77 over 6 expressed as a mixed number?
12 and 5 over 6.
12 and 5 over 6.
Correct. And that's the end of section 1.
At the end of round 1, Polyground Primary has 6 points, while Mico Practising Primary has 4 points.
Stay with us. This question quiz match in the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.